Hello friends, how are you all of? My name is Alam and welcome back my YouTube channel English King 470. So friend, today I have some question and answer and I want to talk about some things. Something is it is about not give up. Yes, never give up. If you want to learn English, if you have a time for learn English and for practice, you have a time for practice, then give. I think it is a very important time for you. So please never don't give up never. First of all, life is a big dreams. We are a English learner, so sometimes we faced many problems and sometimes we faced many lessons. Sometimes sometimes it is very easy and sometimes it is very hard. So we all have our dreams. All members and all peoples have a has a dream in your lives. So sometimes we will face many problems. So I think we will never give up in time. Future is not easy and the future is, I think future is easy, but future is not easy. So if you learn English, then that's time you will speak I can't do this and I can't speak English and I don't have knowledge of English. It is not good. That's why I hope you are a learner, so you are getting my point. So first of all, it is a lesson. Okay. So sometimes we will have many problem. That is okay, not problem. So think think is about scientists. Then scientist is when scientist tries for experiment, then they will fail and they will fail, but they do not stop. So that time do they uh, do they stop? Never. No, they learn from them mistake. So you must be like that's mistake and learn from mistake. So first of all, you remember your past when you used to learn English, speak English, then you don't have knowledge of English, but present time you have a knowledge of English. So first of all, you remember in your vocabulary and you remember tense and you remember your modals and verb. After some time you will speak to slowly and you do continue this lesson and you do continue for speak practice to others people. So don't give up in yourself. In you able to speak and you able to understand in English knowledge. If you don't have friends, so I give you one suggestion. You standing off in front of your mirror and you speak in your mirrors. First of all, you uh, first time you will be shy, but it is but that time is not be shy. If you learn English, then you do this experiment and you can do this because you are a learner and you learning English. So if you want practice in yourself, then you standing on your in front your mirror and you speak to mirrors. First time you will be shy, second time you will be shy, and the third time, fourth time you will speak properly in front of your mirror. So friend, I give you few suggestions. If you learn English, if you want to learn English, then you experiment this this. If you learn English, if will you learn English, then will you try to this experiment. So I hope you have knowledge of English and you will have knowledge of English. That is good idea for I give you this suggestion. So please watch my video and if you watching my video, then you I request for you, please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my channel. So please have a nice day and thank you watching for my video.